Good afternoon. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. And if you're new to the channel, please hit the notification bell. And do we have a special video for you? We have a set of floor maps from Taptes, and we're going to be installing them in our Tesla Model 3. So without further ado, let's get right to it. So all right, many of you may know that if you ordered a standard range Model 3 rear-wheel drive, there's one thing you're not getting, and that's some floor mats. Your car's coming bare bones. So this is something that's basically essential if you live in an area that's muddy. You're definitely going to need yourself a floor mats, and floor mats is going to protect your carpet that the Tesla vehicle comes with. So we have this product sent from Taptes, and they make really good Tesla accessories. Their products are 5-star. I definitely love their products. So they've sent over a set of floor mats, and they've asked me to take a look. So basically, let's take a look at these floor mats. Now let's open this up, this box right here. Okay. Oh my God, didn't bring a set of knives, but I might have my keys. Yeah, I should have my keys here. Okay, perfect. So should be able to open this up with this set of keys. Okay. I'll have all their information in the link description in case you want to go out and check the product out for yourself. So let's open this box up here. Pretty much have it open. All right. So I've already removed my floor mats that I had in my vehicle. These are Odero floor mats. But let's actually take a look at what Taptes has to offer and the current quality of these new set of floor mats. And they've managed to package everything in this box right here, and that's really good. Okay, so let's take this out here, out of this box, and let's get it all installed here. Okay, so let's see if I can put the box upside down. Okay, would you look at that? What a beauty. Oh, so this is not only the floor mats, it's also the mats for your frunk, and I guess your trunk. So that's one great deal, and that's really excellent. I like that they included that. And I thought it was just some floor mats. Okay, so, and I'm gonna be using these floor mats for about a week, and I'm gonna see what I think about these floor mats. So, okay, so let's pull this out here. This mat right here. Okay, so this is obviously for the driver's side. And that is for the passenger side there. Let's see if I can get some better lighting. Oh, that's better. Okay, so, and, oh, let me get everything out of this box here. So I really like that they included the whole set for you. Okay, so this is the rear mat over here. And this right here is the mat for your trunk, which is great. Okay, so they didn't include the mat for the front, but they included the mat for your trunk of your vehicle, which is fine. You know, you don't pretty much need a mat for your front, but some companies out there do offer it. So here are the Floormats, and let's do a quick install of these mats. They're very easy to install. So what you want to do is bring your seat back all the way back and position it right here. So, okay, it might take a little bit of time to get everything to fit properly, but I can assure you that it is meant for your vehicle. Okay, so boom, boom, would you look at that? So that's how the driver's side looks. Now let's go over to the passenger side and let's install the passenger side. Okay. Moving along over here. Okay. So here we go with the passenger mat over here, and that's, oh, I like that. Look at that. About a minute to install. Now let's install the back. And remember, if you're installing the back, you want to make sure that you move your seats all the way up to the front so you can get yourself some nice room when you're installing these mats. Okay, so this is all the way pulled up. Now let's move along to the driver's side and let's pull it all the way up. Let's move this along here. Let's pull it all the way up. So we can ensure that we have room. Let's grab the rear mats over here and let's install it. Okay. Oh, that was very easy. As you can see, you know what, it took less than 5 to 10 minutes to install everything. And would you look at that? Excellent. I'm not going to be installing the floor mats in the trunk. I do have some stuff in the trunk. But here's a look at the trunk mat. Same material. So definitely think you guys should order the product. It's really good, water resistant, and durable. So thank you for watching. I'll have their link in the description in case you decide to purchase these floor mats. So take care, have a great one, and have a nice day.